Hello everyone, it's me Agassi again. Today I'm gonna come back at Spaceflight Simulator and I'm going to teach you how to do the moon landing. So, to get to the moon, to complete the moon landing, first we have to learn how to get the far orbit. I forgot what it's called, but it's okay. Bigger orbit. So I'll tell you how to get that. High orbit. Yeah. So before we start, this was our previous rocket. We can keep using this. This is alright. So what we're gonna do? We'll add landing stations here. So that so we use this. One moment. We use this part to get to the moon, and this part will be our lander, and this one will come back. Now you may be wondering, but I guess we need this much, all of this, to get to just from the earth to the moon. But just this is enough to get back to earth. I'll show you how. Now let's launch. Now I organize this here over a bit. So see this play sign here? When we play that, these parts are gonna on. When we click again, this separator is gonna start, and this engine is gonna turn on. That one. Next, these two, and we'll include these two also because we will be landing. And then finally this, and then this to land back, and this, the parachute, to slow down so that we don't crash onto the earth. So we're gonna keep 100% on. Now we start. I'll keep it ×2 for now. So the angle, we're gonna follow the angle like I thought it last for you. So 45. This is an exact sequence. Now 30. Now we're gonna turn that off, and we'll time warp till here. One moment. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now? We'll be straight. Wait. Okay. Whatever. Now when we're near that dot, we launch. Now we'll go slowly into orbit. Remember to keep the rocket a little up, like going outside, so that it expands. Oh, we're out. So we can just click the play button, and the next one will come. This is slow. Don't know why. Let's speed it up more. Look at that. We're almost at orbit. We reached low Earth orbit. Now to reach Now to reach high Earth orbit, first we're gonna have to come here. So remember, come to these dots. And now launch. Just wait until you get about 1000 kilometers. It's going faster and faster. Okay, we reached 1000. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip that way. Then we're gonna come over here. And now we'll do the same thing. And now we just wait until we get the message. Now we reached high Earth orbit. Next what? Now we want to land to the moon. So to land to the moon, this is the very important step. Remember, first we're gonna navigate to the moon. Navigation. One moment. Now see this transfer window, right? This transfer window, we have to time warp to it. We have to click on the transfer window, and it will, one moment, sorry. Yeah, it will transport us there using time warp. Now see this plus 357.5. We have to get it to 0. See, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna slowly bring it to 0. If the plus is in case of minus, we have to slow down. Here we're speeding up. Now let's just wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's slow down. Now see that 10.6. Now it says exactly 0, 0. That means we have an orbit encounter. We have encounter and escape. So how does this work? We will one moment. We will come like that. Like that. And meanwhile we're going that way. The moon will also come that way, and we will touch each other. Now over here we'll come this way and come all the way here. That's how it works. So what we're gonna do, we want this dot 2102 kilometers to come more forward to the moon. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go far. Okay, that was fast. I almost could have messed up, but it's okay. Now when we're near orbit, let's slow down. We're gonna need it like at least about 50 kilometers. Now we click over here. Time warp. It would say time warp. So from the encounter we'll go here. So we have to time warp about there. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we'll wait until we reach that point over there. See, just like I told you, we reach here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna slow down. We're gonna slowly decrease. We're slowly gonna decrease our orbit. Here we don't have an orbit. It just says escape because we're gonna reach back to the Earth. But now see, one moment. Look, now we have an orbit. 1327 kilometers and 22.5. It's not quite the round orbit, but it still works out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower it even more. So we want it touching. Now we want this orbit. It's no longer an orbit, but we're gonna want it in a straight line. See that right there? We're gonna have almost a straight line. Yeah, time that perfectly. Now we're gonna face the opposite direction and we'll slow down. One moment. Yeah, I'll keep it like that, just so we have a little change. Okay, so we're going this way, so remember that. Now we'll stop. Now we're gonna time warp here, like a little. You want, wait, let's not time warp. We should wait until it's like when it's 50 kilometers, about like that. Actually 25 kilometers. But we're going very fast, like we're going almost 300 meters per second. So we'll slow down here and we'll boost. We'll slow down. Now we slow down even more. We'll wait longer. Let's go till there and on. So we're slowly gonna reach that point. And remember, key point, we can't use parachute in the moon. So we're gonna time warp the farthest we can time warp, So we're getting close to the moon. See, that's the moon right there. Let's wait a little longer. See, we're going faster and faster, so we want to slightly accelerate. Like, let's keep it at 17. It slowly decreases. 14. Perfect. Not perfect. Yeah, that's what we need exactly. Actually, we need to go a little faster. Okay. We're approaching. We're out of liquid fuel. What are we gonna do? We quickly turn that on. Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, see that our rocket? Yeah, it's gone pretty much. So what we're gonna do? Wait, slow down. We're gonna slowly reach that point. Yes. So we'll keep it at 50%. Yeah, perfect, like that. We need at least like 10 kilo. We need to go slower than 10 meters per second. Remember that. Slower than 10 meters per second. And look at that. We landed on the surface of the moon. Now, you may ask, how do we get back to the earth? It's simple. We'll just turn back on. Let's close this up for now. Now see what I'm going to do. Let's speed this up. Wait one moment. Yeah, we're gonna check the map and we'll wait until it says escape. There's an escape. We'll wait until there's an escape. So 30 kilometers. See that dot right there? It should go out of this circle. One moment. Yeah, that's right. It says escape. Oh, don't. Wow, I think if we leave it like that, we're gonna go back to the moon. That's why it's there are so many escapes. Don't worry about it. Now it's good. So here's how this works. One more. So here we'll go slowly to the escape. Now eventually this escape and this escape will touch each other. That's when we actually escape. So technically we are going like this, like that. Okay, so we're gonna go faster, accelerate. That's it. Time warp, and that's it. Now we're gonna stop tracking the moon and navigate to the Earth. From here, it's simple. So next we have to go to the bigger dot. We're in orbit of the Earth. So what are the dots? 9939 and 14420. You usually definitely won't have the same dots numbered, but you will have two dots. Sometimes if you accelerate, you will find escape over here, and you do not want that. You'll be dead. You'll be gone. You want if there's an escape. One moment. You're gonna have to slow down. Okay, remember that. Now there are two dots, 14420 and 9939. So what we are gonna see, we need to go to the bigger dot, like the higher number dot. Which is bigger, 9939 or 14420? Obviously it's 14420. So we need to go to that point. So we're gonna time warp there, and now we're gonna slow down from here. So we're gonna go very near to that point. Like that. So now we're gonna accelerate. Now see that the other dot is going slowly back to the Earth. Slowly but surely. And yeah. Wait, we want it at a straight line. It will be more efficient. Now we reached a straight line like this. Now we're no longer at orbit, and we're just going to the Earth directly. Now we're gonna align straight, and we're not gonna boost. We'll just accelerate. So now we'll reach here. Now immediately do that. Oh, sorry, it was an accident. We're gonna revert 30 seconds. Yeah. Now we're gonna want it in a straight line. Now what we're gonna do, actually, it's gonna be different. This instead you can click now only the play button. So that will separate this from us. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna accelerate. Now we're gonna click on map and see. Now usually we would have been burned up by now, but the heat shield over there is protecting us. Yeah. Now we can cool off, And finally, when we reach about, let's say, actually here's a tip. Whenever you're at like, one moment. Now, when we're at 300 meters in terrain, we can start our parachute. It will be fully deployed on its own, so we don't have to worry. Now, that's it. We completed 2 challenges at once. Let's click recover, and that's it. We completed 2 challenges. Reach high Earth orbit, and we completed the moon landing. We're gonna continue. These are all the missions we did. And we're gonna recover. We're going to the build new rocket. And that's it. That's all for today's video. And this is how you can go to the moon and reach high Earth orbit. Next video, I'll teach you how to orbit, not the orbit the moon. I'll tell you. It's gonna be a surprise. What's next? Next Spaceflight Simulator episode is gonna be. So thank you and bye.